Today's consumers spend 60% of all digital media time on mobile devices, which is massive. Not only that, but when searching for local products and services, most mobile users are looking to take immediate action. Is your business successfully connecting with these hot local leads, or are you letting your mobile-friendly competitors intercept them? If it's the latter, you could be in for some serious trouble. Believe it or not, millions of businesses still don't even have a responsive website to ensure that mobile users can view their sites, which means they are simply losing business. Don't let this happen to you. Our mobile marketing experts have solutions that will help you finally tap into this huge consumer market of hungry mobile buyers. With our proven techniques, solid tools, and in-depth knowledge, your business can start pulling in valuable mobile leads in very little time. Now is the time to jump on board and take mobile by the horns. Contact us today to get started.